Okay, here we go, guys. Oh my god, here it goes. There is nothing inside. Oh. What's going on, Joy fam? Really quick before the video starts, I'm giving away a free iPhone X. Guys, I spent $1,100 on this phone. I don't even have an iPhone X yet. This thing is brand new, still with the plastic. If you guys want to win this, all you have to do is subscribe and turn on bell notifications. I'm going to be giving away this iPhone X in a giveaway that is only going to last for 1 hour. So you guys will only have one chance to win it. And I'm only going to be giving away to someone in the live stream. If you guys want a hint when I'll be doing this giveaway, follow my social media down in the description, my Snapchat and Instagram. I will be giving away hints when I'll be doing this giveaway, and you will have a really good chance at winning this iPhone X. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. What's going on, Joy fam? Welcome back to another video. I'm going to be playing a road trip today, and check this out, guys. They have a really cool prize in here. Unlock the mystery prize in the safe. It's a key that unlocks this safe right here. And I don't know what's inside, so we're gonna try to win this key and open up the safe and see what's inside there. It is $1 to play this. And I'm gonna put in 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. So we're gonna have to try to work our way up. This game is really hard because there's no way to get really good at it. So we're just gonna hope for the best here. 25 miles.
You've got 25 miles. And your second spin.
If I don't make it to the small prize, it's gonna be kind of sad. 50, all right, we need 100. Oh gosh, we need a lot of miles. I don't even think we're gonna make this one, guys. Oh, mystery miles. Alright, hopefully it's something good. Come on. 5, 3. We want 3 big numbers, big numbers. Oh, 135. Dang it. Oh, we didn't even make it. Wow, guys, this is a really hard game. It's gonna take a while for us to get to the very top, but let's try it again.
Your first spin. That was a good spin.
Come on, baby. 100 miles, not bad.
You've landed 100 miles. Take your second spin.
Come on, man. I'm trying to get to Chicago here.
Come
on. Ooh, 100 miles. This is good. All I need is 50. We want to 50 or higher. 50 or higher. Come on, baby. Oh, mystery miles. That works. In fact, I'm guaranteed to win because you can't get 0 right here. So 130. Nice. 130. Back to the yes. We're gonna continue and go for the medium prize. Continue. All right, 475. That's actually pretty hard already. So let's try that.
That was a good spin.
It's a good spin. Come on, baby. 100 miles.
You've landed 100 miles.
Ooh, that's not that great. We want mystery. We want a mystery or 200 would be good. Oh, 200, 200. That's good. 300. All right, all I need is 175. Come on. 175 miles, please, mystery. Oh, ooh, wait. Oh, man, I was I close? Yeah, I was.
You've got a flat tire.
25 off. Dang, that was a really good game.
Come back for another amazing road trip. Rise in Hollywood.
Get in, let's go.
All right.
Take your first spin. That was a good spin.
100 miles.
You've landed 100 miles. Take your second spin.
All right, guys, we're gonna. I'm gonna do this staring at the camera. Maybe it'll bring me good luck.
You're driving great. Good spin.
Ooh, it did. 150. I like that.
150 miles.
Oh, we're already there. Would you look at that?
Hit continue to keep playing. Or take it.
Let's hit continue here. Ooh.
You've got 25
Close.
miles. In your second spin.
Try it again.
That was a good spin.
Oh, This is not a good game.
35 miles.
In fact, I'm doing like almost the worst you can get in this.
Now you've got it. You're driving.
Oh, we got mystery miles though. Watch us just give us like, it would literally need to give us more than 400 miles, so I don't think it's gonna happen, but oh well. 125.
In the wheel. A great driving.
Ooh, there we go. Mystery miles right off the bat.
Mystery mile.
250. Come on. Oh, wow. Guys, I got Chicago in one try. That's awesome. Oh, we're already there. Guys, I found out that if you don't hit this as hard as you can, that you can actually get it to land on the one you want. You have to do a light push, but not too light to where it doesn't sense it. So you have to go right there. Ooh, 150, that's not bad. Alright, I'm gonna do a light push and see if it hooks. Just a light push like that. Ooh, 75, I don't know, it's gonna be tough. Let's see, I've got 225, so that means I'm gonna need 250. So I'm gonna need that mystery. Oh, just missed it. So guys, I found out that if you line it up with the mystery like this, you get 2 mystery miles, and you hit it at the right time, where you don't want to hit it as hard as you can. You kind of want it like a medium push. So just like that.
That was a good spin.
Ooh, a little harder. See how it almost went to the next mystery miles? That's what we want, so let's try this again. A little harder. Ooh, okay, now it's at 100.
You've landed 100 miles.
Alright, let's line it up at mystery miles again. Like right there.
Great driving.
Oh, that was close. I almost got the 200.
25 miles.
Dang, we didn't even make it to Chicago. Wow. Can't even get a small prize to save my life.
Take your first spin.
Alright, let's try this again.
That was a good spin.
Ooh, 150, that's good.
You've got 150 miles. Take your second spin. Now you've got it.
So harder. Ooh, 75. We should be able to get it.
Miles.
In fact, there's no way that we can't get it.
Your third spin.
Because the lowest miles on here is 25, I believe. Oh, there we go. Got it.
You've got 150 miles.
Nice.
Welcome to Chicago. Hit continue to keep playing.
Let's
4 to
continue.
enter.
Alright. We need 475. Let's see if we can get it. Let's line it up with mystery miles and then give it a medium spin.
That was a good spin.
Oh, there, right there. That's exactly what I wanted to do. Come on, we want big numbers, big numbers. 70, we want 3.